This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to make your wire work fascinator. You need your net, your fake net. You need your sellotape to sellotape your wire. You need your needle and thread, glue gum, your comb, Alice band or rubber band. You need your rose, flowers, feathers to design it, and you need your cremolini to design it. You can use your wax candle gum, your wire, and your plier. This is my wire. The size of my wire is 24 miles together, then I sellotape it. The next thing for us to do now is that I'm going to use net to cover this wire. You can use your bias, you can use the cloth. Put your gun on the wire, then take the nets, the pieces of net that you cut to wrap the wire. Wrap it round. I'm going to make 4 of these. This is the 4 wire I've made and I've wrapped them together. Now the next thing, we are going to join them together. To join them together, you can use your tiny cloth to tack it at the joining point, or you use a tiny wire to join it. But now I'm going to use my tiny cloth to join all the joints together. I place it across each other. I'm going to join this place and join this place together. Use your thread, strong thread, to tack it together. You can see it. I've joined all the 4 wires together. It gives me this base. The next thing is to take your net and your needle. To take your net, place it at the middle of the net that you are going to use to cover it. Then cover the net. Pull the net together, cover it like this. Is it. Then take your needle and thread, just tack it in the middle. Tack it in the middle like this with your thread and needle. tack it, let it be strong. See, I've tacked it, then secure it with that needle and thread. Tack the next needle and thread, then take it down. Then cut the remaining on top of it with your scissors. Do it gently so that you not cut the remaining nets. You can see it now. We'll design it with our creme brulee. You take your creme brulee, look at my hand, you fold it like this, fold this piece, then take your needle and thread, secure that center. You use your needle and thread to just do the hemming up. You see it, then tack it. To form like a leaf. The second one, I'm going to secure the center again. I cut the needle and thread, then I start again from the middle of the creme brulee. I secure it here. And see, I secure it. Then you can use your needle and thread to do the hemming down again, from up, down. Secure it again. You can use your hand here to create the remaining one, like the way I'm doing it. I'm using my hand to fold it inside. Then push everything here together. You tack it, the center, you tack the center. Place your design at the middle of it, then tack it. Then you can place your feather at this middle. Your flower rose and block it. You can see the design. This is how to make your wire fascinator design. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.